Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. I am super excited. I've missed you guys, by the way. But anyway, we're gonna get started with today's video. I'm super excited to bring you guys this bomb unit from Klaiyi Hair. So let's get right into the details. So today I'm going to be installing the Klaiyi's Crimps Curls Loose Deep Wave unit, and this is actually one of their newest hair textures. So this is how your hair will come packaged, and they throw in a few goodies for us. I love that for us. So this is the hair, and it's beautiful. This is straight out the package. Look at the body, the bounce, the luster, the shine. Y'all, this wig is everything. Look at it. This is just straight out the box, y'all. So this is the overall construction of the unit. As you guys can see, the lace is tinted. There are 3 combs in total and a pair of drawstrings, which I forgot to show, but they gave it some of the parts, so y'all already know. Alright guys, so I am going in to customize this lace just a little bit. It's not necessary or needed, but I'm doing it. So I went ahead and dampened the hair, and now I'm just combing the water into the hair. I'm taking a pair of tweezers, and I'm just going in to, you know, make that hairline just a little bit more extra, a little bit more personal. So as you guys can see, I'm not staying in the same spot. I'm continuously moving, but I'm making sure at the same time that I'm grabbing those knots, because sometimes I just be pulling the strands, and that's not what we want. Now I'm just going in with my hot comb after I finish going in and plucking, and I do this step just to see what I missed, what areas I would like to be a more thinner or less dense. So it's looking very good right now, but I'm just gonna go in a little bit more towards the middle section and just thin it out, because I really want that top area to be laying super duper flat. Now I do use a wide tooth comb to comb throughout the hair after I get done plucking each section. Alright guys, so I placed the unit back on my head, as you guys can see, and it's giving. Honey, she is giving life, okay? Anyway, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and start the install process. I'm using my Ebin adhesive spray. Be sure to check in the description section where I will have all the products that I used in my video down there. So I'm just placing 1 or 2 thin layers, and I just use my fingers to spread it out. I take my blow dry on a cool heating setting, and I wait till it's tacky, so that's about 5 to 10 seconds, and then we go ahead and lay it down. Now this Ebin spray, y'all, if y'all haven't tried it, go try it. I'm telling you, you're gonna put your got-to-be glue in the trash, okay? This stuff is the business, and the hold is impeccable. I'm here for this spray. So I love how this is just melting into my forehead like what lace, okay? And to make sure everything is just laying down before I put my elastic band on, I do want to make sure that I'm pressing it into my forehead with the teeth of my comb, the rat tail, something, okay? Now I'm just using my contour shade just to, give it a little bit more color. Like I said, it was already tinted, but you never can be too sure. And I'm just gonna lay my elastic band on there, and we're gonna let her sit for about 5 minutes. Y'all don't mind my face, don't mind my face. But we're just going in with our Erika J Wax Stick, and we're just gonna go ahead and flat iron the frontal section. And this just ensures that your hair is gonna stay in place, and it's just gonna be nice, neat, and flat, and not bumpy and lumpy, Now I'm doing the baby hairs. My baby hairs, they look different depending on every install. My baby hairs are never the same. They're just not. So I'm just taking 2 pieces well, one piece out at a time, and I'm cutting at an angle. I decided to use an edge control today because I wanted my install to look a little bit more natural, not so much hard baby hairs, you know. So I tried edge control, and I really have to play with it because I don't know how I feel. I know with edge control it does give you that shiny, greasy type of vibe, so I don't know how I was feeling about that, but I know I had to go back into seal it, like make sure it's not going nowhere with my got2b glue spray. I don't like to use the Ebin spray on my baby hairs. I just don't, because I don't want them like, yeah, no, that's just for you to lay your lace down. Now let that sit for a good 10 minutes, and we took it out, and we're here, okay, baby, we're here, and she is given, okay. I do go back in with a little bit more of the Ebin spray and just spray it on the brush to lay that section down, because I want everything to stay in place. So this hair, y'all, this hair is beautiful. So I took my sleek and mist spray, and I'm just spraying it throughout my hair. It's a heat protecting spray. I didn't know whether I just wanted to spray some water in there to see what type of curl pattern, you know, the hair would give me with water, but then I just was like, let me detangle it and just use my crimper. And when I tell y'all, if you are looking for some hair to crimp, you have to get this. This has been my most complimented wig over the summer thus far, because everyone has been asking me, how do I get my crimps to stay in so long? Y'all, Klaiyi hair, this new hair texture, I don't know what they done did, but sis, let me tell you, this is the hair for crimping. Like, I've crimped straight hair, I've crimped body wave hair, I've crimped all types of hair, and it will completely just fall out, like completely fall out. But where this original texture of the hair is crimp, what is it? Crimp, let me look at the paper. Crimp curls loose deep wave. It holds it. Now, I did go in and reinforce it with some of my got2b glue spray, but I wouldn't say that because I've used that spray with other textures of hair and it would not hold. This hair is a must-have. I'm not kidding. You're going to be amazed. This hair is super, super pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, let me calm down. Anyway, like I said, this hair is freshly installed, straight out the pack. No bleaching the knots, no tinting of the lace. All I did was pluck it, as you guys seen, and reinforce the crimps. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my god. Now, throughout this whole entire process, I experienced minor tangles, shedding non-existent besides me plucking it. That's the only shedding that I got from this unit. So this is my first install, so this is just it. But y'all, this hair is super full and super beautiful, and I love it. So that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the links to the hair in the description section below, and until next time, your girl will see you later.